Hi, this is Max's German car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call me at 818-787-9138. Complete rear muffler assembly for any Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 3, or Mark 4 Volkswagen, Beetle, Jetta, Golf. I've got it, Cabrio. $35 for a rear muffler. A lot of them have super low miles. Rear muffler, Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 3, Mark 4, Volkswagen. Passat included. Rear muffler, $35. If you want the complete muffler assembly from the behind the catalytic converter, including the middle muffler, that would be $65. $65 for the complete exhaust system behind the cat. Passat, Jetta, Beetle, all those. Up to Mark 4, up through 2005. $65 for the complete exhaust system behind the cat, or $35 for the muffler by itself. Max's German car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. I take credit cards and ship. I do installation and repair. Exhaust, muffler, or complete exhaust system behind the cat for $65, or the muffler for $35. Anywhere 1975 through 2005 Volkswagen. 818-787-9138. Thank you very much.